MGR, baby. Moin Leute and yay! Hello friends of rail. Now the old Kato Alco RS-2 is now in MGR. You know this model from a previous video is in Union Pacific RS-2, and I've told you, Frank, make me a new MGR model, and MGR buys this old Alco from Union Pacific. So this model is old and rotted, and Union Pacific don't need this model. You see the old logo, the old patch a little bit now, the Union Pacific, and Matzinger Grimrail make easy an overpatch. MGR have no money, so this model is what they is. But only the cap. MGR painted only the cap in the new MGR, a little bit cream white color, and you see the new road number and the MGR patch. Only the cap is patched on. The rest of the locomotive is like the Union one. You see old, dusty, rusty. I hope you can see it by the light. But when you see this, and when I put my other RS-2 from Kato with tsunami sound, you see the difference. Great job from Frank. Frank have fun and will be lucky when he can lay the hands on some of my models. Also the installing in these Kato's RS-2 not so easy, a little bit tricky, but they runs fine. Frank have a very old Atlas Classic, totally broken RS-2 or 3. I must show. He will repair the body and painted it, and I will install ESU LokSound for him. Okay, that's it. The MGR. I really like this model. MGR is a Matzinger Grim Rail, my own railroad company, and back in 2014 I've told you in the last MGR video with the GP40. That's it. I hope you have fun, you like it. Take a look. Here's the sound at the beginning. A very nice new MGR. Thanks for looking. Thanks Frank for the paint job. I really like this model. That's it. That's it. Thanks for watching.